Is your Netflix app missing from your Samsung Smart TV? Are you frustrated and you don't know what to do? Don't worry, I got you covered. If you've been struggling to get Netflix working, you're not alone. It's a common problem, but I'm going to show you some quick tips and simple steps to solve it. So first, make sure that your TV is connected to the internet. Without a good connection, Netflix won't work no matter what. Next, check your TV's software settings. So go to your TV settings and update to the latest software version. Sometimes an old version can cause Netflix problems. If that doesn't work, try uninstalling and reinstalling the Netflix app from your TV's app store. It's a simple fix and usually works wonders. Another tip is to restart your TV. It sounds simple, but sometimes that's all it takes to refresh everything. All right? Lastly, if all else fails, try using an external device like a Chromecast or Fire Stick to watch Netflix. So, now that you know the steps, it's time to get watching. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment for more helpful tips. See you soon. Thanks for being here. Ciao.